friends to this short video on how to use stock audio in Premiere Pro. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 different sites you can use to download audio that we are able to use in our Premiere Pro projects. With that, friends, let's get started.
In our last video, we saw how to find stock video footage. And in this video, we want to look at how we can find stock audio. I'm going to show you 3 sites again. 2 of them you've already seen. 1 of them is new. So let's get started. The first site that I go to for audio, again, Pixabi. We've used it for videos when we were searching for our B footage, but now I want to look at for music. Click. So over here, twirl this little caret open, click music, and we get to search for music. Search my music, I typed in cinematic, but we can see over here on the side, we have some genres to choose from. Let's try ambient. Let's see what happens. Maybe that's what you're looking for. Ooh, build up scenes. What's this? Maybe that's what you're looking for. Maybe not. Let's get rid of those genres. What are we looking for? Mystery. No, maybe not. So you can search through and get rid of mystery. And just look for bright running, and let's see what we get. Maybe that's what we like. Survival. You can spend some time finding the right kind of music that you want to play underneath your video clip, and just click download when you're ready to download. And there we go. So thank you very much. And we look at the crediting. Crediting isn't required, but linking back is appreciated. So we don't have to accredit this piece of art to Less FM. That was Pixabi's. Let's look at Mixit. Search for music. I want to find horror music. Again, the ads up front telling us to go to Envato. I like Envato, but again, it's subscription. Mixit, I don't like as well. I think that the search features here leave a little bit to be desired, but you can play around with it. And see if you like the sounds and audio coming from Mixkit. The last place, and I usually go, for me, I look both at YouTube and Pixabi first, and I do Mixkit last. But the last place that I want to show you is YouTube. There are a ton of royalty-free, stock-free, accreditation-free music on YouTube. It's a little tricky to get to. From your YouTube channel, click over here, your channel, go to YouTube Studio. Click on that. It brings up your studio. And over here on the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to Audio Library. Click. And it brings up our audio library. And you can filter by genre, mood, duration. Let's go with genre. And I wanted... we'll go with cinematic. Apply that. And then our mood, we'll go dark. And you can preview what they sound like. That's not what I wanted. I like that one. That's the one that I want. I like that one. That's the one that I want. And that piece of music fits the mood and tone that I'm going for in that scene. So I'm going to go ahead and click download. And you can see that I've got my audio track that I can then drop into Premiere Pro. So we've seen 3 sites. Pixabi, I like a lot. YouTube Studio, I like a lot. Mixkit is good, but I think the search feature leaves a little to be desired. Maybe you like it, in which case use that. Again, this is not a comprehensive list. This is not all of the sites where you can find stock audio, but it gives you an idea on where you can start your search and find some audio for your pieces.
So there you have it. We saw how to use 3 different websites to search for music that we might want to use in our projects, how to download that music, and then we would need to import it into Premiere Pro. That's all for this episode. We'll see you in the next one.